Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about side hustle. So I'm not sure if you already have a side hustle or do you plan doing it, but since I joined a Facebook group called Side Hustle Nation, I've got the impression that almost everybody pushes on having few different income sources, and I've also spoken with few people who sort of take it as a norm to have few income sources, few side hustles. So I prefer name extra income source because side hustle just puts a focus on a hustle. I don't really like this word. So if you're having extra income source, I would be interested in what it is. So what happened, I focused only on one income so far. So it was Rock Paper Copy, my main company, which I'm running full time. And by the end of this month, so by the end of January, I plan on moving to north of England because I plan to buy a first house, and the houses up there, like Bradford, Liverpool area, Leeds, are 3 times cheaper than in Southwest. So I plan on buying first house in there. After a few years, there's a plan to come back to the Southwest later on, with obviously when I've got a bigger bigger deposit for a bigger mortgage and stuff. So basically, what I'm doing at the moment, I'm selling all of my old furniture, all of my old items that I don't necessarily want to take with me because I sourced like for a few quid on Gumtree. So there's no point for me. It would be much more expensive for me to take them with me than leave them behind. So obviously, I don't want to just leave them behind with no, just leave them here. So what I'm doing, I'm selling them on Gumtree. So I'm taking photos, selling them on Gumtree. I started last week, and I made a few quid, which is good. And it really took me back to my second business when I was sourcing old furniture, old home decor, like little decor items and stuff, upcycling them and selling them on eBay, Gumtree, and so on. So selling them online, and I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed just browsing those little thrift stores, those car boot sales, and finding good deals, negotiating on the price, putting them online, taking photos. Photos can add so much value if you take a lot of if you take really good quality photos, so you can obviously sell the item for more. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It was very profitable. So I'm thinking about making that into side hustle. So even after I move to a new property, I plan on continuing doing it. So this might be my second side hustle, and obviously I plan on adding more later. So if you're having side hustle already, let me know what it is. If not, tell me what you're passionate about, and perhaps I'll help you turn it into side hustle, give you some ideas on how to do it. So let me know, leave your comment below, and if you like this video, click subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also reach me out on www.rockpapercopy.com. Thanks a lot, bye-bye.